Have you ever wondered why the crypto traders are waiting not only for the Bitcoin news, but also for the updates from Uncle Powell at the United States Federal Reserve? Today, I will try to explain it in the simple words for all my crypto bros, the connections between two things that at first seem unrelated: the decentralized crypto market and the centralized financial system of just one country. Why is everyone waiting for the rate cut? How does this affect the Bitcoin and the altcoins? And why do people say that after this, they will turn on the money printer and everything will be okay for the crypto? The federal funds rate is the base interest rate set by the Fed. It's basically the price of money in the United States economy. The Fed says, for example, hey guys, today the rate is 4.25 or 4.5. And then all the banks continue to operate accordingly. Think of the interest rates like the cost of renting the car. If the rate is high, like now, the renting money is expensive. Banks borrow at higher interest, and that cost gets passed down to everything. Car loans, business loans. The higher the rate, the more expensive the loans, fewer people and companies borrow the money, the economy cools down, people spend less money. So less dump money. It's like a big party. Imagine, a high Fed rate is like a strict dad who raises the price of a beer by $5 a bottle. Suddenly everyone thinks, maybe we shouldn't spend that money now. The party quiets down, but when the rate is low, beer is cheap, everyone drinks, dance, and the Bitcoin flies into the stratosphere. And in this case, why is everyone waiting for the rate cut? The Fed has kept rates high since 2023, 2024 to tame inflation after the pandemic. A rate cut means the borrowing money gets cheaper. The economy gets a doping boost. Think of it like a gym. When the rates are high, the economy is lifting weights without a protein. When rates are lowered, it suddenly gets creatine and energy drinks. Remember 2024, inflation was falling and the market expected cuts, but the Fed held off. Now data shows if they don't cut, a recession could hit. Negative growth. It's like in crypto, everyone waits for the altcoin season because the bull run is close. Here, everyone waits for a rate cut because cheap money is like a free airdrop for the economy. If they don't cut, the party ends and everyone goes home into safe assets like government bonds. How does raising or cutting rates affect the crypto market? Cheap money equals investors are ready to take more risk. First, the money flows into the stocks and then into riskier assets like a crypto. Think of it this way. When the people have more money, they first buy bread and milk, then an iPhone, and finally some meme coins with a dog's mascot. Crypto is a risky asset like stocks or startups. When the Fed raises rates, money becomes expensive. Investor thinks, why risk with a Bitcoin when I can get 5% risk free in the bank? Liquidity shrinks, prices drops. In 2022, when the rates were rising, BTC crashed from 69K down to 16K. Why do people expect the money printer? And guys, it's not unnecessary because the liquidity into the crypto market can start inflow from the stable coins. I repeat it again. When the Fed cuts rates, they often launch quantitative easing, basically printing dollars to support the economy. For crypto, this means more money in the world, higher chances that just a part, not all of this money, will inflow into Bitcoin and altcoins. Imagine that situation. So you got a crypto party, and crypto party is dying down. You cut the beer price, rate cuts, but still not enough people come. Nobody interested. So then you turn on the printer for invitations and give them out for free. Suddenly a crowd show up and tokens mooning. But the risk is inflation. So the simple conclusion, the Fed rate is a key to the crypto market. Cuts, more money, higher prices. just in theory. Now, everyone is waiting for September. Keep an eye on the Fed news. Don't FOMO and do your own research. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more content. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.